I show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy wiring camera failed problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, scroll down, find out camera app, tap on camera, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permission, allow location permission. Now tap on three dot, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Now I hope that this method fix wiring camera failed problem on Samsung Galaxy phone.